And my name is Anam. I see in my hand there was wire. Then I was electric.
Anand, my friend, this is not wires. This is vessels in our body.
Oh, their vessel are what? The vessel are color are red and blue.
Because there was two type of vessels in our body is called an artery and veins.
These all are vessels.
Yes. This is vein and this is artery. This is capillaries. And the artery carry oxygen rich blood, and but the pulmonary artery carry carbon dioxide rich blood from heart to lungs. All vein carry carbon dioxide rich blood, but the pulmonary vein carry oxygen rich blood from lungs to heart. This the circular system function. The circulatory system is the transport system of the body. Four main functions: transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide, distribution of nutrient and transport of waste, maintenance of body temperature, and circulation of hormones. Thank you.
Thank you.
My chest was some dug in my chest. अरे पागल सुजीत, there is no bomb, my friend. It is hard that make dhug sound. But why? It pump blood in our body, and today let us explain our friends about heart. This is pulmonary artery and this is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery carry carbon dioxide rich blood in heart to lungs, and pulmonary vein is carry oxygenated blood rich and carry lungs to heart. And this is left atrium, and this is right atrium, and this is left ventricle, and this is right ventricle. Heart have four chambers. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Golu.
And my name is Abhay.
When our cell performs their function creating waste product in release this waste product are toxic to our body. The removal of this waste product in the cell in which living organism is called excretion. The parts of involved The parts of involved excretion, the excretory system of a pair, kidney, urethra, and urinary bladder. When both the blood rich and useful and harmful substance.
A useful substance are absorbed back to the blood and waste dissolved in water are removed in as urine.
The excretory tube collect fracture from the blood, water and the from by blood pressure across the relative principal member of a clamber of capillary and into the excretory tube. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Divya.
And my name is Mirali.
Today our topic is transportation system in plants.
In human there is circulatory system for transport food.
Till now, transportation in animals, but what about plants?
Phloem tissues carry food down from leaf.
Dioecium tissue carry water and minerals.
Water vapor lost from leaf pores in transportation.
The small opening on the of leaves are full stomata.
Water travels up through plant.
Water absorbed by roots. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Vivek. Today I saw a small accident. That boy got a small cut. After some time, the blood stopped. Can you say the reason behind it? There are something in our body, our blood that stopped it. But I like green. The blood is red because I like green color blood. I make it green. No. One type of cell called red blood cell. Red blood cell, which contains the red pigment called hemoglobin. and white blood cell. The white blood cell is fight against germs and may present in our body. Platelets, clot of formed because of the type of the blood delivered function of blood deliver CO2 nutrients on body cells, transport waste product from cells for elimination, transport hormones, maintain body temperature, distribute heart, maintain pH, carry differs, maintain fluid volume, prevents blood loss, clotting, prevents infections, WBCs, and contributes. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Neha.
And my name is Ravi. Today's our topic is transportation system in plants.
This is dragon, and dragon takes water and minerals from soil.
This is Floya. Floya, transportation food to plants, to parts of our plant.
No, all the water absorbed by plants.
Water vapor lost from leaf process in transpiration.
The water evaporated by the process of transpiration.
Water travel up through plants.
Soil absorbed water absorbed by
Good morning to everyone. My name is Shivam.
and my name is Raj.
We will know heart is a very important organ in our body.
You know, the high blood pressure. A normal blood pressure 120 to 80. It is the normal blood pressure. When the overdue blood pressure high at 120, it is high blood pressure. High blood pressure
Heart failure. Heart failure.
heart failure system is that disease of friends girls with shortness of breathing, chest, then from chest one, loss of food and ankle swing. Coronary artery disease. When the artery disease is then the wax of the wax go into the arteries. They deposit in 7 steps of healthy heart. Avoid smoking. Move your body. Improve your dinner. Get to health. Weight. Maintain health. Blood pressure, sugar. Know your stress level and protect good genetics. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Piyush.
And my name is Jinan.
Today's our topic is balanced diet. Friends, Jinals, I am so tired. Prepare for our stamina, but you look very fresh.
Today you are eat food, anything,
No,
but you are looking very tired. Eat my lunch. Will.
balanced diet. Fat, this is fat. Fat is 10% and protein 25% and fiber-rich carbohydrate 25% and 40% fruit and vegetable.
40%.
Side effect of fat diet: imbalanced hormone and risks of eating diets. Salt. Retains fat weight. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sam.
And my name is Piyush. You also see that many students and people smoking cigarettes and alcohol in a very few years. It is very risky and harmful to us. So we should stay away from it. We can control ourselves only. Protective factors are safety and good health and physical factors.
This factor is mental health condition, puberty, and pregnancy.
If the pregnant woman eat tobacco and the womb is increased chance of weak lungs and increased chance of stillbirth and increased chance of birth defect. If the woman pregnant who was whom the alcohol, so the increased chance of stillbirth and the weight loss and the increased chance of miscarriage. And
Hi Utsav, you are so tall. You are so looking tall. Is it amazing? Last year we were very short and now we are so grown tall. Because we will hit the puberty. Good morning, my friends. My name is Dawal Singh.
And my name is Usam.
And our topic is changes the puberty.
What you do know? Increasing height.
The most complicating activity that puberty, suddenly increasing height. The intelligently the girls are growing faster than the boys, but the age of 18 both become the maximum height. Next. Body shape. Body shape. Body shape changes the body shape. Did you notice in your class the student broad shoulders and bright shoulder and broad chest? It is because they hit the puberty. Voice change. In the boys, voice was cracked because the voice box is bigger in the boys, and the girls' voice was very shrill because their voice box is very small. Physical changes. Adolescence is the time between puberty and full manhood. Puberty is the period of human development during which people become able to reproduce. Hormones are the chemical substance made and released in the part of body that consume changes in another part of the body. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rohit.
And my name is Roshan.
Today our topic is say no to drugs. Roshan, do you know what I see today? I saw a small kid eating tobacco
Why?
because he had her teeth pain. The conclude of the drugs, but before the discussion I would like to deliver our knowledge on drugs, and I would like to enlighten the students and their sensitive subject matter.
Drug use will all know are an illegal matter which some people smoke, drink, smoke, ingest or eat for the matter as well as effect that it living there are
Thus, the seller who sells the drugs, they are target the students to addicted of drugs. The conclusion of drugs, it destroys the life our youth, but risks and protective factors. Who does not eat, consume drugs, they are very healthy and they fine. And who consume drugs, they are very unhealthy and they have disease. The effect of tobacco in womb. In pregnancy, who consume tobacco, they are not fine and her child will not healthy and it not well delivery on girls. The effect of alcohol in the womb. The boy has lost her weight, increasing changes of fetal alcohol system. The child has very disease when deborn. Thank you.
You all can identify me as boy and girl. Then say what I am, boy and girl. Of course boy, right? How can you say by looking at my appearance, by my voice? The character other the sexual part which help to us distinguish difference between boy and girl is our secondary sexual character. So good morning everyone, my name is Aditesh Pandey.
And my name is Taru.
Today our topic is secondary sexual character. The sex organ, testes and ovaries, and male and female.
Boys become facial hairs and moustaches and hair.
Boys also growth of hair on their chest in both boys and girls. Growth of hair in underarms and growing of hair at private part. Hormones are chemical. This is secreted by endocrine gland. The male hormone is testosterone. Testosterone extracted released by testes by one set of the puberty. The female hormone or estrogen, which makes breast develop and milk secreting from the mammary gland. Hormone is extracted by endocrine gland is called pituitary gland. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Salim and my name is Anuj. Our topic is sex determination. All human beings have 23 pairs and of chromosomes, and the cells have cells. Two chromosomes are the sex chromosome, then X and Y of female has two chromosomes. Y has in boys present XY and in girls present XX. Thank you.
Hello guys, good morning to my respected teachers, friends. Today's my topic is
Hormones plays role on sex hormones.
what do you mean by hormones? Hormones are the chemicals that coordinates different functions in your body with the carrying messages of blood into your organs, skins, muscles and other tissues. There are many glands in our body, like thyroid gland, which produces thyroxine. थायरोक्सिन अगर हमारी बॉडी में ज़्यादा हो तो हमें वाइटर हो जाता है. To prevent goiter, we consume iodine or iodine
नमक में होता है।
There are two types of gland in our body, endocrine gland and exocrine gland. Exocrine gland are the type of gland in which the substance hormones in our body passes through blood streams. And endocrine gland is the type of gland in which the substance passes through external or at the surface on an organ with the help of duct or canal.
डक क्या होता है तेजस?
डक्ट तुम्हें नहीं पता डक्ट क्या होता है? डक्ट एक पाइप और ट्यूब होता है, या तो कैनल भी बोल सकते हैं, जो लिक्विड और गैस को पासिस करता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. Some disease comes from having more hormone and having less hormone. Like when we have more having growth hormone, then our height increases double in the size. Like
Finger.
the great Khalid.
The great girl.
Thank you. Have a nice day. And these are the glands. Hypothalamus किधर रहता है?
इधर.
दिमाग में. Pineal gland किधर रहता है?
इधर.
और pituitary
हाँ. इधर.
thyroid किधर रहता है?
इधर.
इधर.
हाँ.
हाँ? thymus
इधर.
chest के अंदर.
हाँ.
और stomach किधर रहता है?
इधर.
पेट.
हाँ.
liver,
इधर.
pancreas,
हाँ, इधर.
adrenal gland,
इधर.
gland और kidney.
इधर.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Pita and myself Angel. Do you have already learned about the life cycle of frog? Do you know what is hormones in insect or frogs? The tadpole passes through certain stages to become a frog. This change from larva to adult is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in insect controlled by insect hormones. In a frog controlled by thyroxine. The hormone produced by thyroid. Thyroxine production of requires to the presence of iodine in water. In the water in which the tadpoles are living contain significant iodines. The tadpoles cannot become adults. Hormones have a circular part of metamorphosis of frogs and insects. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aparna. I am Tanvi. Do you know what is endocrine gland? The hormone of chemical substance. These are from endocrine gland. Endocrine gland release hormones into the bloodstream to reach a particular body part called target cell. The target gland responds to the hormone. The testes and ovaries secrete sex hormones. These hormones are responsible for male and female to secondary sexual characters. Sex hormones are under the control from pituitary gland. The hormone from pituitary gland to release testosterone in the male hormone and estrogen in the female hormone. Changes in the body at onset of puberty like a changing in voice, sudden increase in height. So this is role of hormones in initiating reproductive function. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lisa and my name is Pratima. In our last seminar, we have seen the the metamorphosis in frog and other insects. It is possibility that like the humans, frogs and insects have hormones causes distinct change in them. Yes, like humans, metamorphosis is frog. As we know, the larva change into adult is called metamorphosis. Nisha, do you know which group of metamorphosis? No, Pratima, can you please explain us? It is frog. It is controlled by thyroxines produced by thyroxine production requires the presence of iodine in water. If the water where tadpole is growing does not contain significant iodine, it cannot become adult. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Aisri.
And myself Smriti. Today we are here to discuss about the role of hormones in inhibitory reproductive function.
Androgen gland is release hormone into the bloodstream to reach a particular body parts called target site.
The target site respond to the hormones. There are many endocrine glands and ductless gland in the body.
The testes and ovaries secrete sex hormone.
These hormones are responsible for the male and female secondary sexual characters.
The sex hormones are under the control of hormones from the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretes many hormones, one of which make ovum mature in the ovaries and sperm form in the testes.
The onset of puberty is controlled by the hormones. Hormones from pituitary stimulate testes and ovaries to release testosterone in male and estrogen in female.
Releasing in blood streams and which part of body target stimulate change in the body at onset of puberty. Thank you.